Good morning, traders. Welcome to this video with FXDD. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. And before we take a look at this pair, be aware of the fact that trading for exchange and global financial markets is considered high risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that. And this video is for informational and educational purposes only. If you're interested in also seeing live webinars, by the way, check out these two links. Top one is for live trading webinars and the bottom one for educational topics from Nenad and myself. And of course, you can always join or subscribe, please, to the FXDD YouTube channel, which will upload all of these videos and webinars. So let's start with this euro dollar 1 hour chart. You can see the price has been moving down a lot and aggressively. Now, the main question in my eyes is this an ABC pattern like this? A, B, C, wave A probably stopping here, for instance, and with a classical kind of flag here, and this is going to be ready for an uptrend, or are we looking at something more substantial and more bearish? And this could be wave A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down for 5, for instance, as part of a bigger downtrend, perhaps. All right. So from that perspective, I think it's important to put a fib from here to here. And if this is some type of wave 4, then price will typically bounce to the 23.6 fib, which it did. But also the 38 and the 50 remain very strong resistance levels. So if price manages to break above this 50 at around 112.45, so let's say the 112.50 quarter round psychological level, there's also a weekly pivot point. So if price breaks above that, then it is not likely to be a bearish continuation, but probably more of a bullish breakout. So that's an important level in my view. A break above 112.50, I think, means that the bulls are regaining control. What I'm looking for is strong momentum to push through 112.50, even 112.75, by the way, because there's a previous bottom and the 144 EMA. If price breaks through that, makes a flag, I'm looking for a continuation higher personally. If price, sorry, I hit the wrong button. If price goes sideways like this, but then breaks that flag, then a continuation lower is more likely. Let's take a look at other time frames to get context of what's going on. We talked about this downside already on the lower time, the 1 hour chart. So what's going on here on this 4 hour chart? Well, we're looking at, perhaps, in my view, I'm leaning towards the fact that this could be an ABC correction like this. And that actually this was not an ABC here, but a 5-wave pattern like this, completing that red wave C. And I think that this could be 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a wave 1 or A, and this could be a wave 2 or B. And therefore, this is a pullback, a bearish retracement, and I'm looking for potential move up again. So that's my view on the euro dollar. And the confirmation of that, if price breaks on this 4 hour chart, breaks above this 112.70. Why? Because that's the top of the 21 EMA zone. So if it breaks above that, I'll be looking for long setups to the upside. If, however, price goes sideways long enough and it drags the 21 EMA into the 144 EMA and then breaks this flag, yes, I will also be looking, in that case, probably there's a good chance I might be trading it to the downside. So I'm not, as you can see, I'm waiting for more information. I'm waiting for a clear flag or for downside or a clear break above the 20 EMA for upside. But if I look at higher time frames, I think that upside is a little bit likely too, because obviously we had a clear downside here, 5 waves, for instance. But recently, this part has been choppy and corrective. And I don't think that this correction is finished as yet, right? I think this could be wave A, this could be a wave B, kind of a falling wedge, and up we go for wave C to, for instance, or actually, excuse me, not this part. This part is wave A, this is a wave B, and up we go for wave C, back to that previous top. All of this is a correction from here onwards, actually, sorry. This was still part of that downtrend. This is choppy and corrective sideways range, and I think that from that perspective, price could go up to the 144 EMA on this weekly chart at 115-ish, maybe even extend to 117.50. 115 for the moment is the main target of the upside, unless price breaks below the double bottom here and closes below 111. In that case, I'm changing gears and I am looking for a bearish continuation lower. All right, so that's my view on the euro dollar. Unless I get a clear weekly or daily candle below 111, leaning towards the upside towards 115 and monitoring the 4 hour chart for that development and potential short, even if there could be a short and still this could be a wave 1-2, by the way, right? Because it would have to break below 111 before it invalidates the larger upside. So we could get a bear flag, one more lower low, and then still move up, break above the 20 EMA and get the upside trade. So it is possible to see both setups that I'm looking for take place at different times, obviously, as long as price stays above 111. And main target is 115, but intermediate target is 114. All right, that's my view on the euro dollar. Once again, these links for live trading webinars and of course the FXDD YouTube channel for all of that, where you can subscribe and get the updates for all of the videos, webinars from Nennet and myself. Wish you all good trading and talk to you soon. Cheers.